This is game one, Western Conference semifinals. As Curry does his magic, gets by Gobert and scores. There, they're asking him to get out. And Steph Curry, with all kind of spice, goes by him for the reverse.
To be the guy catching the basketball off the rotation.
Curry steps back. Oh! Stephen Curry with some magic.
Steph Curry that got it started. Dancing, tough shot. That's why he's the MVP.
Steps back. Crossover. Fires away. Wow! Another three from Curry.
And then the final one. Oh my goodness. Steph Curry. Like McDonald's. Loving it.
Johnson checks in for the first time. Has not played much in the playoffs, appearing in just 6 games. Oh, the move by Curry, and he scores!
It ain't right, but more importantly, that's not fair. Curry, where he's going to get him is this hands up. You see that left hands up? That's when he gathers himself for his jump shot.
Curry splits the defense behind the back. Fires a three. Oh, he puts it in! What a spectacular move! It was certainly the highlight play of the day. Stephen Curry knocks down the three. The Warriors outscore them 30-18. Steve Kerr can't believe it. But he's seen it night in and night out.
It was not a good shot by Deron Williams.
Curry held on to, laid it in anyway.
Slapping hands in the backcourt. Wow. After this, you'll see it as he goes back.
Points, 5 assists so far. Going to work on Bass and puts it in. Here, Brandon Bass out on an island. Nobody helped. A little float.
It's important to have a 20-point lead, at least going in. They're up 21 now.
James got 21. Steph, another three!
He's unconscious.
Steph behind the back. Floater over Sabonis to bank it in!
The weak side defender rotates. And the feathery skill to drop it in.
Two combination.
Two ball handlers, two attackers. Yeah. Oh, Steph, 10-3, there it is! NBA season high and threes made.
In the first half. On a 12-4 run. Curry in on it, shakes ball out of his boots and hits a follow-away jump shot.
Rebound in motion, behind the back. Steph to the rim, to lay it up and in, and draw the foul!
Early in the game, and then Denver got inspired by it.
Steph a little show and go. McKinney out of the corner, hits a three! Curry, all pretty fake, pulls up. There's the first field goal. That was sweet.
What a move. I mean, what do you do defensively?
Why they like him? A lot of people saying he's going to be
Layman back.
Oh, my goodness.
Curry, yep.
Curry fakes. Zubac's trying to stay with him. Curry, and there it is, the first field goal.
And David Lee clearly hobbling right now.
Bothered by that right knee contusion, but not there.
Tonight, he said, told me before the game.
Oh, Curry gets around, Lillard lays it up and in! Steph down the lane. Taking him to task.
Crossover, hesitation, and then it just blows by. But
James trying to harass Curry. Curry off the dribble, layup off the glass.
Time MVP against LeBron James says, everybody out of my way. Allow me to have this dance. Break down the finish. Beautiful. That's Steph Curry with the shot.
Curry with Tucker right with him. Curry launches a three. Puts it in again. Steph Curry from downtown. They know that. They haven't been called for any fouls. Steph trying to get one off, but he does. The three to end it. 1 out of 2 from the line. Curry had made 1 3. Pump fake, 3. And a reminder to the rookie who the MVP is. Curry shake and bake, three-pointer. It goes! Steph Curry with a bounce.
Unbelievable play by Steph Curry. Understanding he's got to be aggressive. Forces the defense to collapse.
Warrior Ian Clark checking in for the first time defending on Curry, doing a good job as Curry gets to the corner and scores!
Balance.
Beverly trying to stay with Curry. Splits the defense, gets to the lane to lay it up and in. Aminu on Curry, behind the back. 3-point is up. Oh! Stephen Curry!
Green pass too low, but Curry recovers. Shot clock winding down. Curry's going to have to put it up, launches it up. Shot clock. Oh, he knocks it down! Steph Curry with the shot clock expiring. Morris guarding Steph Curry. Little razzle-dazzle and nails the three-pointer.
I mean, the handle, that's an impossible shot for most.
Down to 7. At 5. At 4. Curry jumper.
Holy mackerel.
He did it again!
Curry leans in, gets an open look, and hits a three.
47%. Staying in the game. Curry from deep. This is when Steph is so special.
They're still on that 11-3 run.
Steph weaving, finishing with the rights. The wizardry of Stephen Curry.
Stops on a dime, changes direction, gets a little pick from Varejao, just weaves his way through with that ball handling skill.
Curry around Pachulia. Curry to the rim.
Smart to get off the three-point line.
Curry over Gordon.
The 3. Durant batting it out to Curry. Steph around Beverly. Show and go on Harden. Put it in! 180, no look finish.
So you're getting the A++ game for the Pelicans tonight.
Without question.
Curry 3, and he got it.
And it's going to bring out the A game.
Favors the Jazz, but the Warriors are on top, and Curry right down the gut.
Curry glides inside and lays it up. Turnovers critical here in this fourth quarter. 5 for the Knicks, 0 for Golden State. Curry steps back, fires, and hits a two-pointer. Timeout Knicks.
Call it, but he lost the ball anyway.
Down 16 to within 6. Curry a 1-foot runner.
That's what we've been used to. That's what we've been expecting.
Steve, 6%, but his 9 assists the other night led the Lakers. What a move by Curry. And there's a floater off the glass for another deuce.
Missed 3 in a row.
Mike, that two hands is supposed to be called. That's Curry with a beautiful finish.
Everybody's back. Doesn't bother him.
He's trying to stay with them. Steph with the left hand. The flip. The foul.
McKinney was beaten, and they had to give help there, and they finally found the open man. They're playing really good basketball.
Curry. He tuned up Otto Porter and hit the jumper. Stephen's got 34.
There's no way that he create a shot like this. But he works all the time. If he wanted to, he could have taken another bill.
Curry tried to work behind screens. Picked up here by Harden. Shoots over him.
Of Wade. Look at this. Mr. Harden, would you like this dance? And then afterward, it's
Curry for 3. Bang!
Steph Curry one-on-one against Kevin Love. Knocks down the jumper. Exciting times in the Bay Area. Warriors up 6.
Curry fakes, drives on Hill, scoop layup, it's good.
Good shooter, but he's pretty deadly.
Steph with another 3, and he was already running backwards.
And they're concerned about perimeter shooting.
Steph throwing all that defense. There's the jumper. We've been waiting for that.
I've been waiting. I keep asking, when are you going to unleash it? He's shooting 77% because they're all dunks, but he can't hit that shot.
Job by Ingram.
Durant whips a pass. Nice fake by Curry. Sidestep layup. Yo from Steph Curry. We'll continue after this message and a word from our ABC stations.
Steph. Oh, reverse. Up and in with the English.
Other side. That was Miller, actually, wasn't it? Not Randall.
They're standing at Oracle. Steph on skates, back up three.
Double-digit lead with 3:45 left in the half. He'd like to continue adding to it, and Curry rims it home.
Rivers upset, as is Williams. It looked like a foul should have been called. Curry gets into the paint, left-handed, banks it in. In the shot clock and game clock. Steph Curry fakes, drives, goes inside, high off the glass, it's good. Points.
Coach talked about getting the basketball in the middle of the floor. That time it was Leonard.
Hey, with the three.
Makes it that much tougher. That's discouraging for the defender. Covington's a good defender. Curry sized him up anyway. There's nothing more discouraging than that. Look at Steph. Look at him.
Free throw line 8 times already here in the first. Curry's got Tristan Thompson on him. Fakes, drives, layup. Oh, it's good. Off the glass.
Allow me to have this dance. Breaks him down and the ability to finish in a variety.
Steph Curry tied for number 2 in scoring with Anthony Davis, and he takes it in with a beautiful lengthy move and fouled on the play.
How about this? Goes right behind the back in front of Ennis. Ennis swipes or thinks.
You can get them at Bucks.com or by calling 1-800-4NBA-TIX. Steph Curry for 3 last night. He hit 8 threes.
Steph made the technical free throw. Curry, bucket, ball game. Them really in the whole season series. Steph said, yeah, I got something for you.
On Curry. Crossover, step back, three-pointer, bang! First lead of the night for Golden State. What?
Bad play by Hernan Gomez, bringing Draymond Green to switch onto.
Oh, Steph Curry with a beauty.
Score. Here comes Steph. You know, you mentioned it. He's got such a great handle, doing a lot of the things that Steve Nash has.